means Jyotiti yat tat jyotihi jyotisham. That means the light, ज्योति, वो ऐसी ज्योति जो तुम्हें ज्ञान प्रदान करती है, you know. तो द्योतिति यत् तत् ज्योतिहि ज्योतिषम. And suppose you go deep in, so you will see.
You can tell me in Hindi only. I understand. I just cannot talk back in Hindi.
So, तो इसमें इतनी चीज हो जाती है कि 5 एलिमेंट है ना, अग्नि, भूमि, वायु, वारी, आकाश. तो ये जो 5 एलिमेंट है वो ज्योतिष का बेस है. और ये 5 एलिमेंट है वो आप आयुर्वेदों में भी देखेंगे. आयुर्वेद में भी 5 एलिमेंट है. अब ये जो 5 एलिमेंट की जो बात परंपरा है, तो आप देखेंगे कि पृथ्वी और जल तत्व इकट्ठा होता है तो कफ हो जाता है.
वास्तु में भी सेम एलिमेंट्स हैं.
यस, कफिंग बोलते हैं. और जो वायु है और आकाश तत्व,
स्पेस. एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? I know elements. I know Akash. What is Bhumi? So fire.
Bhumi is earth.
Earth, okay.
Bhumi is earth. Vayu, that means air.
What is air?
Air.
Air, okay.
And Jal, that means water.
And then Akash is?
Akash, that is Avakas. The people are using the word Akash, but Akash is not proper. Avakas. Avakas, that means space.
Space, okay. Ether, okay, yeah.
So these are the 5 elements. So the space and air get together तो बात करता है. आयुर्वेद में नहीं आता है वात, पित्त और कफ.
Yes. You have too much of this.
Yes, in the body, you know.
Yeah.
Now listen, the same thing here, the 5 element in astrology. Suppose regarding Earth, हमें कुछ बात करना है, तो we will talk through the Buddha, Mercury. Mercury planet indicate Earth, Earth element.
Okay.
Saturn, शनि महाराज बोलते हैं ना वो.
शनि, yes.
शनिश्चर बोलते हैं भाई. शनि आ गया बोलते हैं. बहुत डरते हैं लोग.
Yeah, when my father died, I went through that 7 years.
I know, yeah. तो the thing is that कि शनि यानी वायु है, तो वायु आ गया. अवकाश, that is a guru. Follow me. और अग्नि, भूमि, वायु, जल, that is meaning water, that is Venus. भूमि तत्व यानी अर्थ, वो तो मर्क्यूरी आ गया. स्पेस गुरु आ गया, जुपिटर आ गया. फायर जो है वो मंगल है. मंगल इज अ फायर. मार्स. मार्स इज फायर. सो अग्नि, भूमि, वायु, वारी, the 5 elements. 5 elements are in Ayurveda also. 5 elements in Jyotish also. You follow me? But here 5 indication we calculate through the planetary position. Here the relation which come out in Ayurveda, that is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So here the correlation, you know, correlation between Ayurveda and Jyotish. Thus astrology is this way we can see it's the scientific touch, especially with the body and nature. So at the time of marriage we matching the horoscope regarding the nature, health, that all we read through the horoscope like this. So we can say the astrology and Ayurveda both have very good connection. There are some part also, Graha Chikitsa, that belongs to Ayurveda. Graha Chikitsa.
But it seems that in India, the Ayurveda science is not that strong anymore. Like, people have forgotten. The Jyotishi and Vastu still seems.
Yeah.
The Ayurveda, it's like they don't know which plants they used to use, or they've forgotten or something, you know?
No, say, the Ayurvedic people are also working there, but blindly working over Ayurveda.
Yeah.
People are not so much, you know.
Yeah.
But Ayurveda is, of course, it's working there.
Because I do a lot of research. The old Chinese medicine is actually very good. The Indian old medicine, 50-50.
I know.
Right? Chinese astrology is useless. Vedic astrology is the most advanced, you know?
Yeah. But see, in both the things, you go in Chinese and even in Vedic astrology, 5 elements are the same. There is also the base is very clear, you know. Base is very clear.